Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on IQSTL stock, or we can say IQST stock. So in this video we are talking about its share prices, analysis, news, updates and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very important and interesting. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and also press on a bell icon for the future update. It was one of the stock that we covered in our recent video, and has this was the biggest one in terms of revenue. We thought let's have a look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lots of interesting plan for the future. They want to grow their business significantly in different ways that they want to achieve it. The IQST stock was trading at 0.62 US dollar with a negativity of 7.75% in previous closing. So I ended the video. Thanks for watching.